The Volvo EX90 is a popular luxury SUV. It is known for its safety and reliability. In this article, we will discuss the pros and cons of this car. Starting with the pros, the Volvo EX90 has a sleek design. Its exterior features give it a modern and stylish look. The car's interior is spacious, providing ample room for passengers and cargo. The materials used in the cabin are of high quality, giving it a luxurious feel. The EX90 comes with advanced safety features like collision avoidance systems, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. These features help prevent accidents and make driving safer for everyone on the road. Another advantage of this car is its fuel efficiency. The hybrid models offer impressive fuel economy, while maintaining good performance levels. This makes it an eco-friendly option for those who want to save on gas expenses. The Volvo EX90 also offers a smooth ride owing to its well-tuned suspension system that absorbs bumps effectively, while maintaining excellent handling capabilities. However, there are some cons to consider as well when looking at the Volvo EX90. One downside is its price tag, which can be higher than some competitors in its class, due to all these advanced features offered as standard equipment in most trims levels, which many buyers might not necessarily need or be willing to pay extra for them. Another issue with the vehicle could be related to maintenance costs. Being a luxury SUV from an upscale brand like Volvo means that parts might not be as readily available or affordable compared to more mainstream options. Some drivers have reported that they find infotainment system's touchscreen interface difficult or confusing when trying access certain functions or settings, making daily usability less seamless than desired, especially considering how much focus automakers put into improving these systems nowadays. Lastly, if you're looking performance-oriented SUV, then might not find what you're seeking here, because although it does provide adequate acceleration, decent handling, overall experience simply isn't on par with some other rivals who prioritize sporty driving experience over other aspects. In conclusion, the Volvo EX90 is a stylish, safe and efficient luxury SUV that offers many desirable features. However, its high price tag, maintenance costs and some minor drawbacks with its infotainment system might deter some potential buyers. Ultimately, it's important to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision on purchasing this vehicle.